Hi, this is Sean O'Brien with Auzmor, and I'm here today to tell you about the one perfect solution for all HR automation. So everyone's looking for it, right? Just one vendor they can go to for the entire gambit of HR software as a service solutions. They all work on the same exact platform, and they work perfectly, top echelon of each and every category. Now, what is it? It doesn't exist yet. Bear with me. So most human resources, software as a service solutions and/or human capital management solutions are focused and make their money in one or two areas. For example, a lot of the payroll providers is the best example. They make their money on payroll, so when they create separate modules, the actual feature functionality suffers as a result. The primary thing is technology is constantly being updated on an annual, monthly, daily basis. And one HR software as a service company cannot possibly focus on every single nuance and solution all at one time. It's not that they don't care about the other modules, they just have the most expertise and focus on what they're known for. One thing I would definitely recommend is just ensuring that they have an API or some sort of integration so the systems can actually talk to each other, but they can talk together and act as one. So make sure you really take the time as well for each one of the modules you're looking for HR automation. Go through the demos. You don't have to go through every single one, but at least have your top people in each component, recruiting, training, payroll, benefit administration, whatever it may be, choose their own solution and make sure that there is some sort of an integration or there's a possibility for an integration so they all talk to each other as one perfect solution. So one cool thing we're doing here at Auzmor is each and every module is going to be a child entity, a separate company in and of itself under the umbrella that is Auzmor. So for example, every single employee of the Auzmor Learn LMS, from developers to salespeople, customer success, are going to be focusing on ensuring that is going to be the top learning management solution in the world. We're doing the same thing for applicant tracking, performance management, succession planning, and even HRIS and payroll. If you're looking to learn anything more about what the groundbreaking awesome things we're doing here at Auzmor, please click the link above or give us a call. We'd be happy to help out. Once again, this is Sean O'Brien with Auzmor, and as always, let's go.